What if I told you that letting your money sit in a regular savings account is like putting your hard-earned cash on a slow, painful treadmill, burning calories, but never really moving forward? Hi, I'm Future Flow, and today we're diving into the best high-yield savings accounts, the secret weapon your bank probably isn't shouting about. If you're between 18 and 30, living in the US, and serious about building real wealth, this video is your wake-up call. Here's the truth most people don't face. Inflation is quietly eating away at your savings every single day. If your money isn't growing faster than inflation, you're losing ground, and that's terrifying. But don't worry, you're about to discover how to make your money work harder, smarter, and safer. So, what exactly is a high-yield savings account? Think of it like your regular savings account's cooler, faster cousin, offering interest rates 5 to 20 times higher than traditional banks. It's the kind of account that doesn't just store your money, it grows it steadily and securely. And no, it's not some secret VIP club for anyone who's serious about beating inflation and growing their nest egg. Here's where it gets exciting: compounding interest. That's when your interest earns interest. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, starting small but gaining unstoppable momentum. Imagine starting with $1,000 today, with a high-yield account paying 4% interest. In 10 years, you're looking at nearly $1,500 just from sitting tight and letting your money do the heavy lifting. But here's the kicker: every day you wait, you're missing out on that growth. It's like leaving free money on the table. How much could that be for you in 5, 10, or 20 years? The answer might shock you. Alright, now that you know why high-yield savings accounts matter, let's get practical. Which one should you consider? Ally Bank. Competitive rates, no fees, easy-to-use app. Marcus by Goldman Sachs. High interest, excellent customer service. CIT Bank. Great rates. Requires a minimum deposit. Perfect for serious savers. Discover Bank. Solid rates plus cashback on debit card purchases. Synchrony Bank. High APY and ATM access. A rare combo. Which one is the best for you? Well, it depends on your goals, and that's a question we'll unpack in a future video. Before you rush off open one, here's something crucial most people miss: the hidden costs and how to avoid them to truly maximize your earnings. If you think a high interest rate alone guarantees growth, you're in for a surprise, and that's exactly what we'll cover next. So what's the bottom line? High yield savings accounts are a game changer. Safe, smart, and powerful tools protect and grow your money. If you're serious about living that wealthy lifestyle, don't let inflation win. Start making your money work for you today. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a smart money move. And before you go, check out my video, Stop Wasting Money in Your 20s. It's packed with tips that'll supercharge your savings and investing journey. I'll link it right here. See you there.